the 2020 Chevrolet Corvette C8 mid-engine. This thing looks amazing, feels amazing. I love everything in the way that this car feels when you get in it as a driver. Wow, I mean, right away, just impressive. The acceleration with this car, beautiful smooth shifts. Oh my gosh, the braking is so impressive with this car. Really nice cornering right there. I mean, this thing just has a ton of grip, beautiful sound. It's just a beauty to drive because it's so forgiving. Just allows you to have a lot of confidence, comfort in the car, and just have a blast doing it. And right there, what you'd expect out of a mid-engine car. Car turns in great, gets through the center really nice, still turning positively like you're used to with a Corvette, but just has a perfect balance as you come off the corner and start to accelerate onto the straightaway. Great turn in, acceleration, oh yeah. Man, this thing is fun. I've only made one lap, woohoo! Already, it's very easy to realize just why Corvette decided to go with a mid-engine car. I mean, this thing drives unbelievably. The performance is amazing. I knew I was going to be impressed. It has taken that to a whole nother level for me. Great job, Chevrolet. We are so excited to be offering up this car to some lucky winner for the Jeff Gordon Children's Foundation and our raffle this year. Whoever receives this car, they are in for a treat. Gonna be hard to hand over the keys to this one.